Welcome to this lesson on diffusion, one of the most fundamental processes in biology. Diffusion is the movement of molecules from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration. This process is essential for life, occurring constantly in our cells and throughout nature. Understanding diffusion will help you grasp how substances move across cell membranes and how our bodies maintain balance. Let's define diffusion precisely. Diffusion is the net movement of molecules from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. The key word here is net movement. Individual molecules are always moving randomly in all directions, but overall, more molecules move from where there are many to where there are few. This continues until the molecules are evenly spread out. The difference in concentration between two areas is called a concentration gradient. Think of it like a slope. On one side, you have a high concentration of molecules, packed closely together. On the other side, you have a low concentration with fewer molecules spread out. Molecules naturally move down this gradient, from high to low, just like a ball rolling downhill. This movement continues until both sides have equal concentrations. Diffusion is driven by the random movement of molecules. All molecules possess kinetic energy, which means they are constantly moving and bouncing around in random directions. This random motion is happening all the time at the molecular level. Even though individual molecules move randomly, the overall pattern creates a net movement down the concentration gradient. The more concentrated area has more molecules bumping into each other, causing them to spread out into less crowded spaces. Diffusion has several important characteristics. First, it requires no energy from the cell, making it a passive transport process. Second, diffusion continues until equilibrium is reached, meaning the concentration becomes equal throughout the space. Third, temperature affects the rate of diffusion. Higher temperatures give molecules more kinetic energy, making them move faster and diffuse more quickly. Finally, distance matters. Diffusion is efficient over short distances, but becomes much slower over longer distances. Diffusion happens all around us every day. When you place a tea bag in hot water, the tea molecules diffuse throughout the water, coloring it evenly. When someone sprays perfume, the scent molecules diffuse through the air until you can smell them across the room. Smoke from a candle disperses and spreads out through diffusion. In our bodies, oxygen diffuses from our lungs into our blood cells, which is essential for survival. All of these examples demonstrate molecules moving from high to low concentration. Three main factors affect how fast diffusion occurs. First is temperature. Higher temperatures increase molecular motion, causing faster diffusion. Cold temperatures slow molecules down, making diffusion slower. Second is the concentration gradient itself. A steeper gradient, meaning a bigger difference in concentration, leads to faster diffusion. Third is molecular size. Smaller molecules can move more easily and quickly through spaces, so they diffuse faster than larger molecules. To summarize, diffusion is a passive process, meaning it requires no energy input from cells. Molecules naturally spread from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration through their random motion. This movement continues until equilibrium is reached, where the concentration is equal everywhere. Diffusion is fundamental to life, enabling cells to obtain nutrients, remove waste, and maintain the proper balance of substances. Understanding diffusion helps us comprehend many biological processes at the cellular level.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.